Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet and I am presenting PowerPoint about assessment 3 for the unit of C8005 Neurospeak Online. I'm going to explain about Parkinson's disease, and as per assessment requirement, I'm going to be talk about anatomy, physiology and pathology of the Parkinson's disease. Okay, let's start with introduction of Parkinson's disease. According to Zing et al. 2022, that Parkinson's is a degenerative and progressive disorder, neurological disease that affect all nerve cells in the brain, and that named with the nasoganglia and the substantia ganglia. So, as we can say, basal ganglia create the neurotransmitter dopamine, and it is responsible for communication, that program and power body motion. Moreover, people lose the nerve endings that produce neuropenia. It impacts on people's personal life, social life, as well as their work life. Okay, so next slide is I'm gonna be talk about anatomy of Parkinson's disease. So Parkinson's disease affect and disorder of the basal ganglia, and it has robust connection with the cerebral cortex and thalamus. The basal ganglia are group of nerve cells that are placed into and within the brain. It helps to do the following, as you can say, it initiate and refine voluntary ductal muscular motions. It's also held irrational movements. Moreover, it integrate posterior adjustments. So this is the research have done by Francois et al. 2017. In the next slide, you can see the map that is showing the information as how Parkinson's disease impacts the different part of the brain as it progressed. It commenced with the basal ganglia edema, and then it received from all parts of the cerebral cortex, substantia nigra, and pars compacta. And also, furthermore, this process continued towards to thalamus, and then is back to the cortex. So this map is showing how the process going inside the brain. Specific is basal ganglia. Slide 5 is about pathology of the nervous system in Parkinson's disease. So there are several changes happened in the brain that appears and affected the brain in a different way. For example, the substantia nigra has a profound decrease of dopaminergic neurons and a later decrease iron level. It is probably due to increased oxidative stress, as lesions appear and as well as a lesion appear in the several brain regions. As the disease progresses, damage occurs in other brain areas, including the dorsal motor nucleus, neocortex, prefrontal cortex, cortex, and amygdala, etc. But moreover, multiple non-dopaminergic neurotransmitter systems are affected as well. So this has happened inside the brain progress, how they're working, and how it affects all the other parts of the body. Okay, slide 6 is a conclusion. So we can say, in conclusion, I have discussed that Parkinson's disease can affect the brain disorder, and that can cause unattended or uncontrolled movements in the brain. Although it doesn't directly let people die, but the condition can place great strain on the body to make some people more vulnerable to serious and life-threatening infections. Some of the research has shown that Parkinson's disease have a normal or near life expectancy. So it is not like people can be just finish it some years. It will take times to progress and to make different impact on person's life. Okay, last slide, you can see the references I have used for to complete this assessment presentation. I have used 4 different research articles that have researched by different authors. Thanks for listening and to my assessment 3. Thank you so much.